Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you some cute Valentine's Day transitions and overlays for you to use on your videos. All of them were made by me, so you won't find them anywhere else. That's pretty cool, right? If you want this video with transparent background, you just have to print screen this video or take a photo of you viewing this video and then share it on your Instagram stories. Don't forget to tag making.content on Instagram so I can send you the link. Okay, so here are some green screen transitions I made just for you, so let's get on with the video. If you want to know how to use green screens, please click in the link in the description. And what do you want me to create in my next video? Hope you like this one and see you next time. Bye!